Take position. 2, 3, start.
Good afternoon, respected madam, teachers, supervisors, and all my dear friends. Today my topic is filtration. My name is Yadav Vihan from 5th grade. My topic is filtration. Filtration is a method to clean liquid. It removes dirt and unwanted particles. We use filters like big stone, small stone, sand, and water. Clean water passes through the test bag. Home to clean drinking water. Tea is also filtered with strainer. Filtration makes water and other liquids safe. It is an easy and useful process in our daily life. Thank you. I will now put forward the Patel Rocks from 5th grade. Good morning to dear respected madam, teachers, supervisors, and all my dear friends. So today is my topic is the speech on filtration. Today I will talk about the filtration. Filtration is a method is used to separate the clean liquid from the unwanted solid particles. So for example, when we make a tea, we use a strainer to remove the tea leaves that is filtered. It is very useful in our daily life. Like cleaning water, the separate dust, and even in the science experiments, the filtration helps us to get pure and clean substances, and it makes our life more easier. Now I will show you that how the filtration is happening. Now we are going to put the dirty water in the first big stone. Now it will be going with the small stone. More water. See now, it will be happening from the big stone to small stone to sand.
Little bit here.
Now you can see this is going in the cotton, and after it will be filtered and come in the clean water.
More. Here put. This is getting filled.
From the sand it will be coming, and it will cool. You can see a clean water is coming. Now it will be the little coming this glass. Clean water is happened. So this was the Milan Maria for the filtration speech. Good morning, dear respected ma'am, supervisors, teachers, and all my dear friends. So today's my topic is speech on sedimentation. Sedimentation is a way to clean Sedimentation is a way to clean dirty water. In this process, the heavy dirty sand settle down at the bottom. The clean water stays on the top. It happens when we leave water undistributed for some time. The heavy particles slowly sink down at the bottom. After that, we can remove the clean water carefully. Sedimentation is used in water treatment plants. It is easy and natural method to separate clean water from dirty water. Thank you.
Good morning, teachers, supervisors, and all my dear friends. Today's my topic is decantation. First, decantation is a way to separate liquid from solid or two liquids. Second, first we let the heavy particles settle down by fermentation. Third, then we slowly pour out the clean liquid from the top. Fourth, the dirty or heavy particles that remains at the bottom. Fifth, it is used at home to separate rice water or pulpit water. Sixth, it is used to remove oil from water. Seventh, decantation is simple, quick, and useful in our daily life. Thank you and have a nice day. Now you can see this clear water. See this clear water. Now I want to call Anirudh Mudalia from 5th state. To finish my topic on India exam. The process of separating solid particles from the liquid are gas. Using a filter filtration. Filtration commonly used in outdoor. The process is widely used in industries to create wastewater. The filter medium can be a paper, soap, sand, and supervisors and all my dear friends. Today's my speech on filtration. Filtration is a method to clean. Filtration is a method. Filtration is a method to clean liquids. It removes dirt, unwanted particles. We used to. Filtration is a method to clean liquid. It removes dirt and unwanted particles. We use Bridgestone, Waterstone, sand, cotton, and clean water. Clean water passes through dirt, stays back. It is used at home to clean drinking water. It is also filtered with strainer. It is a filtration makes water and other liquids safe. It is an easy and useful method in daily life. Thank you and have a nice day.